braces help with repairing teeth which has already been damaged by the grinding, but it doesn't deal with the cause of this teeth grinding. That's why you may end up putting a lot of braces but still end up feeling stressed, feeling bothered about your appearance, or even end up grinding the braces. Yeah, so it is helping you from further damage of the teeth, or just aligning your teeth, but it doesn't deal with the real issue. That's why always focus on going on the preventive issue, like what really caused this, what is exacerbating this,